Now that we've derived our slope for our Grand Canyon, we can go ahead and derive the aspect, or calculate the aspect of our Grand Canyon TIF, or DEM, I should say. Let's turn it back on. So aspect tells you the direction of the slope, or the slope direction in compass degrees. So unlike our So unlike our flow direction tool, the values will not just be a bookkeeping scheme, they'll be associated with the compass direction, which we'll see some examples of in the lab material. Like our slope tool, we can search for aspect, spatial analysis tool. We also can go into our raster functions and create that aspect surface. But again, this is a temporary surface. We're using our DEM. So it's creating this temporary surface that we can look at, but it won't be a permanent file that we retain. This is also usually has a different display. So we'll look at the slope tool itself, the aspect tool itself. We'll put our input raster of the Grand Canyon DEM. And we'll go ahead and leave the method as a default. And click OK, click Run. It'll take just a moment. Okay, so we can see our output from our aspect, where it looks a little bit different than our generated one, or automatically generated one, because it does have the colors associated with the compass direction. So you're seeing the compass directions based on colors, so slope facing east. We can no longer see our park boundaries, so let's change that back to black. So we can see the slopes that are facing east. We can see the river bed itself. And they have flat areas, which you can see the river is being coded as flat, as having no aspect. So slopes facing north, slopes facing south, southwest, and west. And then on the opposite side of the river, the Colorado River, the other direction. And that is your slope tool.